Guys, it's your boy, Sky Blue Sonic 2002. Let's check out the cats again. And behind the last video, the third video I made. No, wait, the second video I made was about cats. And we're doing it again. Yay! Let's check them out. Cool. The gray one's Luann. The black one is Pearl. The gray one's sneaking up on Pearl. Ooh, this should be good. This should be a hoot. This should be a hoot. Nothing's going on so far. Gray one's just doing nothing. Luann's just doing nothing. Wasting her time with nothing. Pearl, the black one, she does her own things. She's just shy. Both cats are shy to meet new people. In the second video, I told you guys about it. So, here's some family secrets. Ooh, look, the black one's coming to me. Aren't you a good one? Ooh, I just realized it's my lunch hour. Well, guys, so long for this video. And this is Sky Blue Sonic 2002. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and like and comment on the video, and comment your opinion about the cats and the drawing Scotty drew in the last video. So guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Let's reach up to 400,000 subscribers. Or make it shorter, like 40,000 subscribers, and I will make the biggest family secret I've never ever told you about. I'm only gonna tell you a little bit of family secrets, but you'll know the biggest one when we hit 40,000 subscribers. Now, guys, subscribe every day. Comment on the videos that you like. Now, guys, this is Sonic from Sky Blue Sonic 2002. Peace out!